Hello people! Today we will look about how to fix Chrome OS is missing or damaged error. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossip Funda. So let's not waste our time for it. Let's go! Unlike Windows, Chrome OS is pretty lightweight and snappy. But sometimes it also encounters some weird errors out of the blue. Chrome is missing a damaged error. If you are facing this issue on your Chromebook, there is no easy way to go back and you are likely to lose your local files. Nevertheless, to bring your Chromebook back to the life, let's begin and learn how to fix Chrome OS is missing or damaged error. Step 1. If you are stuck at Chrome OS is missing or damaged screen, then press Ctrl+D shortcut to open the Chrome recovery window. But remember that this process will completely wipe your device, including the local storage. Step 2. However, if the Ctrl+D keyboard doesn't work, then you have to create a recovery media using another computer. All you have to do is to install the Chromebook Recovery Utility app and then insert a thumb drive or SD card on the computer you have installed the recovery utility. Step 3. Now launch the app and click on Get Started. Here you need to select the Chromebook model so that it can download the specific Chrome OS image of your device. After that, click on the Continue button. Step 4. On the next screen, choose the removable device you have inserted and click on the Continue button. Finally, it will download the image and will also create the recovery media automatically. Step 5. Once it's done, insert the thumb drive or SD card on your broken Chromebook. While being on the Chrome OS damaged missing screen, it will automatically detect the recovery media and then you can allow on this on-screen instructions to recover your Chromebook. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossip Funda.